G'day, my name is Edward Plant and I'm one of the directors of the Business League, and Ainsley has just let me know that you're registered for our event on Wednesday the 6th of November. So I wanted to do a couple of things in preparation and lead up to the event. The first one is let you know the details about the breakfast. Second, give you everything you need to make sure you get the most out of the event. And third, tell you a little bit about us. So first up, logistics wise, the event is on Wednesday the 6th of November. The doors open at 6:30 and we kick off the breakfast at 7 o'clock, so you can come and network before, meet a heap of people. There'll be somebody at the door to meet you and we'll introduce you to some of the other members and make you feel right at home. We finish at 9 o'clock. There'll be a map that gets sent to you with the directions of where to park and how to get to the University Club, and it should all take care of itself from there. If you've got any questions though, please let us know. Hit reply to this email. Also, if you've got any dietary requirements, we need to know before the day, so let us know that. At the breakfast though, we've got an amazing guest speaker coming in. She has taken her business from a bricks and mortar retail outlet to an online business only, and has doubled her business year on year for the last 5 or 6 years. She's going to share some insights into how she's done that, what she's learnt, and she's also got a $2,000 investment that she spent her business money on that has been the best thing she's ever bought in her life. So she's going to share all that with us. It's a fun morning. Bring business cards. You'll get to meet a heap of other people, and I look forward to meeting you there as well. Come say good day, and I'll grab you at about the halfway point just to ask any questions, get to know you a bit better, and answer, more importantly, any questions you may have for me. Apart from that, we're looking forward to welcoming you into our Business League, which is our little passion project, really about supporting business owners connect, develop and grow. So if it can help in any way, let us know. My name is Edward Plant from the Business League, and I look forward to seeing you on Wednesday.